have recently texturized your hair or you're thinking about texturizing it, there are some mistakes I made that I wish someone had told me about earlier. And today I'm sharing the 5 biggest mistakes that I made after texturizing my fussy hair, so hopefully you can avoid them. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Brigy family. If you're new here, my name is Brigy. On this channel, we share real experiences, hair tips, product testing, and my journey with short, fussy, and texturized hair. If that sounds something you enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and join our growing family. Your support means so much, and we celebrate every step of this journey together. Without losing time, let's dive in. You're welcome. When I first texturized my hair, I was excited about the curls, and easier manageability. But honestly, I made few mistakes along the way. And these are the things I learned through experience. So hold on, don't go. Mistake number 1 is not understanding what a texturizer actually does. At first, I thought that a texturizer would completely change my hair texture, but what I learned is it lessens the curl pattern, but it doesn't completely transform your hair. So before you texturize your hair, take note on that. Mistake number 2 that I did was not focusing enough on moisture. I quickly learned that texturized hair still needs moisture. And just because the curls are looser, as you can see, doesn't mean that the hair can't become dry. You should keep your hair moisturized every day with the right product to avoid frizzy and dryness. Mistake number 3 is using too many products. At one point, I was using product after product, hoping for perfect curls, but sometimes less really small. So I would recommend use one product at a time, and this will allow you to learn and see how it performs on your hair type before jumping to the next one. Mistake number 4 that I did was comparing my results to other people. I kept looking at other people's results online, but I didn't know everyone's hair responds differently. So, you should avoid comparing your results to other people because your hair type might not be my hair type and they will definitely respond differently. Mistake number 5, last but not least, was expecting instant perfection. I thought I would figure everything out immediately, but learning what works for your hair takes time. So, keep testing different products one at a time to see which works for your hair type. The biggest thing I've learned throughout my experience is that health hair is a journey. You learn what your hair likes and what it doesn't. So take note on that. Guys, I would like to know this. If you have ever texturized your hair, what one thing you wish you knew before doing it? Or if you are considering texturizing, what questions do you have? Let me know in the comment section below, please. Thank you so much for watching and supporting Brigy family. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.